trend line. And with that trend line break, I hit my stop loss. Well, actually, not really stop loss. It's still profit. So I could have actually sold AMD on open today, right around 59. It would have had maximum, and I've been at $1,700 right up here. But I didn't know that, this crash was going to happen. So I waited. I saw the ascending triangle sequence, which is up, down, consolidate. And I was expecting right around here is going to go upwards. So it didn't go upwards. So I went ahead and just sold my $54 calls, which were deep in the money. I'm still going to hold this $58 call for next week just because the VWAP's at 58.17. So I believe there's going to be another run up, at least to 58 on AMD, just not right now because the SPY is crashing. So looking at SPY, which is the overall market, SPY is pretty much going sideways, but it's been crashing throughout the day. Look right here. Just went straight down. So what I did is I locked in profits to make sure I have cash flow. So what I'm doing right now is I'm watching work, and I want to close my 3250s for this week, and I'm going to hold the 33 which I bought for next week. So as this crosses towards the end of the day, I want to say in like next 2-3 hours, I can close work and be hopefully right around $1,500-ish and about 1,000 cash flow. And if I can do that, then with $1,000, I'll probably get a pretty good day trade in for tomorrow. So looking at my watch list, I'll give you guys a quick sneak peek of what I'm looking at for day trades. I'm probably going to look at DKNG. Looks like it was going to run. Had that yellow line cross the purple line on the 1 hour, and then pretty much went down and sideways. Still think it can go to $40, so we'll see what happens there. So I have DKNG, I have BJ. BJ looks like a good pattern. Potentially, depending on what it does. I have Uber. Uber is on my watch list. I have Cisco. And I have MPC. It looks like Cisco and DKNG are probably the best looking ones. Nonetheless, if AMD does decide to make a turnaround, which I don't think it will, at least not today, but sometime next week probably, just because of this momentum on the 30-minute, which is the 5-day period, it's starting to go down. I think there's going to be a sell-off right here. Now, if it does curve around and start hooking back up, I'll probably buy more $58 calls and average down my cash flow, and that will allow me to average down as well as maximize the amount of profit I can get from AMD as well as keeping cash flow. The main thing is I want to keep cash flow. So overall, I'm really happy because all these positions are pretty much free money because I started with $500. So I have $300 more cash flow than I did last week. Plus I have free positions, which if these go to zero, I'm still profiting, money. But based on my experience and my knowledge, I don't think these are going to go to zero. I'll at least make something from them. But time will tell, and we'll see how everything is going.